Ever been stranded on the side of the road, staring at a flat tire, wishing you knew how to fix it? I've been there too, and it's frustrating. But don't worry, because today I'm gonna teach you the easiest way to repair a flat tire in under 3 minutes. Let's get right into it. We'll be using this old tire for demonstration purposes only. We have a screw stuck in the tire. We can use a screwdriver or cordless drill to remove it. If this was a nail, we could simply use the needle nose pliers that are included in the kit to pry it out. Next, we'll use a reamer tool to prep the hole. The reamer helps remove any loose rubber and smooth out the hole so that the plug seals properly. It might be tough to insert the reamer at first, but twisting it side to side helps. Once it's in all the way, push it in and out a few times. The kit comes with lubricant. Adding some lubricant to the reamer also makes it easier to push into the tire. Now we'll prep the needle probe tool. Insert one of the plugs halfway into the needle. Adding a bit of lubricant makes it much easier to slide the plug into the tool. Remove the reamer and quickly insert the plug. This tool comes with a safety stopper so the plug doesn't go all the way in. Once the tool's all the way in, twist it a few times, then firmly hold the stopper while pulling the tool out, making sure the plug stays in place. Now let's use a utility knife to trim the plug. It's a good time to check the plug for air leaks. If you have some air in the tire, spray some water, ideally some soapy water, onto the plug. If you don't see any bubbles, that means that the plug sealed properly. Let's set up our portable air compressor. Turn on the car, get the cigarette lighter adapter and plug it in. Connect the other end to the compressor and we're ready to set the PSI. Looking at the tire sticker that's located on the driver door frame tells us that this car requires 33 PSI. Set the PSI and then connect the air hose to the valve stem. For the tire on this Infiniti, it took less than 5 minutes to go from deflated to fully inflated. The compressor also includes an LED light strip with a few modes for nighttime use. Once the compressor reaches a target PSI, it shuts off automatically, so no need to worry about overinflating the tire. Let's check the tire plug one final time using some soap and water. If there's no air bubbles, that means we're good to go. If you want to learn more car repair tips that are going to save you both time and money, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.